Dr. Everybody, today show you how to pass the entry, okay, how to pass the voucher entries in Tally. Okay, my name is John. I'm a computer faculty at Micropower Computer Science School. First, what I'll do, I'll go to Excel. Okay, I'll go to Tally. Now, whatever the transactions they are creating, first either you can create a new company or you can do with the existing company. Okay, first I'll create a new company. If you want to create a new company, you press F3. Okay, function key F3. Then you go to create company. Now give some company name. Suppose I will say Micropower. Enter. Then you say here you say Karnataka. Okay. Then again enter. And then you say the financial year start with the 1st of April. Then you say 31st March. Okay. Enter. Then here what you do? Next enter other details. Usually for bill wise you say no. Then cost center you say no. And same thing enter. And in the here you say the GST you say no. Okay. Now GST is not applicable. Enter. Now since I am creating one voucher, I am passing one transaction regarding the voucher regarding purchase. Okay. I am passing the voucher transaction regarding purchase. Okay, you have different vouchers. Purchase is there, receipt is there, journal is there, sales is there. Okay, contract is there. Like that. Now I'll use this purchase vouchers. Okay. Now first what you do? First you have to create ledger. First company, then you go to create, then you create ledger. Okay, then you go to ledger. Now I'll create one voucher ledger regarding purchase. Always purchase will come under which group? Purchase account. Okay, purchase will come under purchase account. And enter. And next what you say? Next you say Arundhati Oil. This is the company name. Or you can say trader name. Always this will come under what? Suntrack Traders. Enter. Okay. And again next one is what? Next one is land and building. This is land and building, whichever property that belongs to you, that is called fixed assets. Always maybe land or site, the property which you own, that is called fixed asset. Try that image money, which ledger will come under which group. Okay. Or which fixed asset. Enter. Then you say one more you say Leela Traders. Okay. Again enter. Again Leela Traders, you say Suntrack Traders. Okay. Enter. Nice. Next what you do? Now next you first you say company, then ledger. Okay, then I'll go to voucher. Okay. For voucher, first you go to get.tally, then you enter voucher. See here for voucher you have to use a shortcut, you have to use function key for F9. F9 is a purchase and give some reference number. And here you say party name as cash. Okay, enter. Now again what you do here is a purchase. Now showing regarding the item transaction. Now since I don't want item, I want to convert into bank transaction. For that I have a shortcut key Control H. Then you say as voucher. Go to as voucher. Okay, now we are showing debit and credit. Earlier we were showing regarding item details. Okay. Now here what I will do? First I will select regarding here selling what? Now credit means what? Credit means the person who is purchasing. Okay, you say Arundhati Traders. Okay, enter. Okay. Then again next what is selling here? Now what is the amount here? 80,000. Okay. And next is what? Purchase. Okay, here creditor is Arundhati and purchase is debtor. Okay. Again enter. Now what is the amount? Total amount 80,000. Okay. Especially here in purchase, the person who is purchasing it will become debtor. From whom is purchasing become creditor. The person who is purchasing the goods will become debtor. From who is purchasing become creditor. Okay, like that. And then say enter. Okay. If you want, you can give the narration. Then you can say being goods. Okay, being goods purchased through credit. Okay, through credit. Like this you can pass. Okay, sir. Next to voucher transaction is what? Next I will say regarding land and building. Some reference number you give. Here you select land and building. And here in this and first here CR stands for 2. DR stands for 5. Now credit from where you are this one purchasing from Leela Traders. Enter. Okay. And here what will happen? Next is what is the amount here? The amount is 1,50,000. 1 lakh. Enter. Okay. And here from purchasing from Villa Traders what? 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Enter. From actually what you are purchasing? Okay, you go to purchase. Within the purchase. Okay. And okay, you are purchasing the good from Villa Traders. Okay. Enter. And here what you are telling? The land and building purchased. Okay. Through credit. Okay. Like that, this type of transaction, this is regarding purchase order. This is regarding purchase order. One I am purchasing regarding goods, and one is for purchasing this one, land and building using purchase order. Now if you want to see what you will do, okay, you go to an option called day book. Okay, day book. See now showing if you want to, suppose if you want to make some changes, you go to Arun Rathi, she is showing it. These are the details what I mentioned. Okay. If you want, you can make changes. Next, if you want to see the related okay, these things. If you want to come out, escape. If you want to see the balance sheet, go to balance sheet. She is showing number of total number of liabilities and total number of assets. Okay, if both are balancing, whatever the term is stated is correct. And one more we have, that is if you want to go to create, or you say that is the balance sheet is, or you can say okay, balance sheet is, or you can say balance sheet is. For profit and loss, if I go to profit and loss, so it's showing this one, how much of what are the particulars of item purchase, okay, what are these things are showing. Okay. Like that you can keep on checking for profit and loss as well as balance sheet. Okay.